Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we break down the CCNP Troubleshooting and Maintaining Cisco IP Networks TSHOOT v2.0 syllabus so you know exactly what to study and why it matters. Overview of the exam domains and their weights will guide your study plan. Layer 3 technologies make up 40% and focus on IPv4 and IPv6 routing, redistribution, and path control. Layer 2 technologies are 25% and cover VLANs, STP, and Ether channel. Infrastructure services are 20%, network principles are 5%, VPN technologies are 5%, and infrastructure security is 5%. Layer 3 technologies is the heaviest domain at 40% and is rated hard with an estimated 60 hours of study and scenario-based assessments. You will learn to troubleshoot IPv4 and IPv6 addressing and subnetting, static routes and default routes. Expect deep work on EIGRP neighbor relationships, OSPF adjacency issues, and BGP peering and prefix advertisement problems. The domain also covers route redistribution and filtering, policy-based routing, IP slaw, VRF Lite, and route leaking so you can control path selection and fix complex reachability issues. Layer 2 technologies account for 25%, are medium difficulty, and recommend about 40 hours of hands-on practice with scenario-based problems. You will resolve VLAN assignment N802.1Q trunking problems and handle VTP domain and pruning issues. Spanning tree protocol topics include convergence, route bridge election, rapid PVST plus and MST configuration. You will also troubleshoot Ether channel negotiation with LACP and PAGP. First hop redundancy like HSRP, VRRP and GLBP, and SVI and Layer 3 port issues on switches. Infrastructure services cover 20% of the exam, are medium difficulty, and suggest roughly 30 hours of focused study using scenario-based assessments. This domain teaches DHCP server, client and relay troubleshooting and NAT and PAT address translation issues. You will verify NTP synchronization and hierarchy. Troubleshoot SNMP and syslog for remote logging, and use IP slaw and object tracking for connectivity checks. Traffic monitoring topics include span and RSPAN mirroring and netflow export and collection for performance and security analysis. Network principles is a small but important 5% of the exam, rated easy with about 10 hours of study that include both conceptual and scenario-based assessments. You will apply structured troubleshooting models and follow a consistent process to identify root causes. Learn core Cisco iOS diagnostic commands like ping, traceroute and telnet, and practice interpreting iOS output and system logs. The domain also covers packet capture analysis and how to distinguish hardware versus software switching problems. VPN technologies make up 5%, are medium difficulty, and recommend about 15 hours of practice with scenario tasks. You will verify and repair GRE tunnel interface state and MTU issues and handle multi-point GRE configurations. The syllabus covers DMVPN Phase 1 and Phase 2 operations with NHRP registration and resolution troubleshooting. You also troubleshoot ISEC encryption problems and transform set mismatches to restore secure tunnel connectivity. Infrastructure security is 5% of the exam, medium difficulty, and suggests about 15 hours of hands-on troubleshooting using scenarios. Expect to diagnose access control list problems that affect traffic filtering and to verify AAA configurations with TACX Plus or Radius. You will analyze control plane policing impacts, troubleshoot switch security like port security and DHCP snooping, and check unicast reverse path forwarding for asymmetric routing issues. These skills help you secure device control and stop traffic that breaks reachability or performance. In conclusion, the full syllabus totals roughly 170 hours of recommended study and emphasizes scenario-based troubleshooting across all domains. Focus most of your time on Layer 3 technologies and hands-on labs, but balance practice across Layer 2, services, VPNs and security. Follow structured troubleshooting steps, use Cisco iOS tools, and practice real scenarios to be ready for the TSHOOT v2.0 exam.